Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I thank you, and you?
Good, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, learners, what date is it today? Okay,
The 20th of December.
Okay, yes, good. Okay, now children, look carefully this video and sing like karaoke. Okay, learners, so how do you think what we are going to talk today's lesson? Okay, Jamal, please.
Profession.
Yes, good. Today we are going to talk about professions. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, do you know professions?
What is?
No. Мамандықтарды білеміз бе, балдар?
Yes.
Yes, we are talking about this previous lesson, yes? Okay, look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. Read and spell the names in these professions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Who wants to start? Okay, Sarah, please. This one? Painter.
Painter.
Yes, good job. Next, athlete.
Iter.
Read, please.
Teacher.
Teacher, yes, good. Next, Mirlan, please.
Policeman. Policeman.
Yes, okay, good. Next, Jamal, please.
Driver. Driver.
Okay, good job. Next, Nurdavlet, please.
Doctor.
Okay, good job. Next, Anju, please.
Actor.
Uh-huh.
A-C-T-O-R.
Yes.
W-O-R-K-E-R.
Learners, good job. Do you know another professions? Okay, Nurdolet.
Teacher. Muallim.
Okay, next, Adrian.
Actor.
Actor, okay. Jamal, please.
Hairdresser. Hashtaras.
Yes, good job. Kausar.
Babysitter. Doctor.
Ainur, please.
Doctor. Dayıgir.
Daniel.
Fighter.
Yes, Anju.
Driver. Жүргізуші.
Okay, good. Arujhan.
Pilot. Uçkuş.
Pilot.
Pilot.
Yes, okay. Mirlan.
Poliция.
Okay. Sarah.
A nurse. Nearbaker.
Yes. Sumbat.
Singer and chef.
Zaid.
Doctor.
Yes, good job. Okay. Open your copybook. Open your copybook. Write in this exercise. Translate into Kazakh language. Much. For example, an astronaut. Who is astronaut? Translate into Kazakh. Arshker. Yes. Okay. Start, please. I give you 4 minutes. Start, please. I give you 4 minutes for this task. Right. Right, please. Okay. Children, are you ready? Have you finished? Babaldar?
No.
Okay. Let's go. Hurry, hurry, please. Okay. Who is finished? Kausar, Mirlan. Hurry, Zaid. Jamal, okay.
Astronaut, asker, mal dərgəri, worker, жұмысшы, engineer, nurse, medbekir, pilot, uçkuş, student, programmist, baker, innovation.
Yes, good job. Mirlan, please read.
An astronaut, asker, mal dərgəri, a worker, жұмысшы, an engineer, a nurse, medbekir, a pilot, uçkuş,
Pilot.
uçkuş, a student, a programmist, a baker, innovation.
Yes, good job. Now learners, change each other. Defterlerimizden alsanız baldır. Okay, change each other. Change and check your work. B2, the second E. Check each other. Tekrar olduk ba? Yes, okay. Kausar, how many mistakes, Jamal? Neçə xətə var? Without mistakes? Okay. Good job, Jamal. Jamal, how many mistakes? Kausar? No mistakes? Okay, good job. I know how many mistakes?
No.
No mistakes? Okay, good job. Atlet?
No.
No? Okay, good. Good job and good job. Okay, Mirlan, how many mistakes?
One.
Only one. Okay, good job. Sarah?
No.
No mistakes. Okay. Nurdaulet? No? Okay, good job. Zayed? Three mistakes. Okay, not bad. Sumbat, how many mistakes? Neçə xətə var? Okay, Arjan?
No.
No mistakes? Okay, good job. Okay, learners, next task we do group work. Group work, the first group should match jobs. What do they do? Мамандықтар не істейді? The first groups. And the second groups, where do they work? Мамандықтар қай жерде жұмыс жасайды? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, do please. Do carefully. Group work.
Что же может?
Okay. Bakers, they work in the cookers, they work in the kitchen. They work in our place. Doctors, they work for Ready? Yes, okay. Two groups. Come to the blackboard and protect your words. Okay. Adlet, Jamal. Okay. Sarah, Mirlan. Good. Okay. Okay. Jamal, Adlet, start please. Okay, the first one, bakers. Bakers bake bread. Okay.
They work in a bakery.
Okay. Do you don't understand? You read only one. What do they do? Олар не істейді дегенді? Next.
Prepare and
Start please.
bake bread. Prepare and cook food. Look after people.
Okay.
Teeth.
Okay, who is look after people's teeth? Who is?
Dentist.
Yes, okay. Next. Read please.
Look after people.
People's
Is
health.
shield.
Who is?
Doctor.
Doctor.
Look after patients. It is their nurse. Teach people. It is their teacher. Look after people is animals. Vets.
Vets, okay. Okay, good job. Next, Sarah, start please.
Where does they work in bakers work in the baker, cookers work in kitchen, dentists work in dentist, and doctors work in a hospital, nurse work in a hospital, teachers work in a school, vets work in a veterinary, waiters work in a
Restaurant. Okay, sit down. Good job. It's for you and it's for you. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, learners. Now we write in the blackboard. Next task: match the words and the sentences. Okay. Next task: match the word and the sentence. For example, a teacher. What do they do? Мұғалім не істейді?
Teaches people.
Yes, a teacher
Teaches people.
teaches pupils. Yes, a teacher teaches
People.
pupils.
Pupils.
Pupils. Okay, so first one. Who is writing the blackboard? Okay, Jamal, come. A doctor, what they do?
Help sick people.
Yes, good job. Right, please. A doctor. Okay. Sit down, please. Good job. Next. Who is right? What they do? A policeman. Mirlan, okay?
A policeman protects people.
Yes, good job. Please come. Right. Okay, it's for you, Mirlan. Good job. Next. Okay, Daniel, please read. Read for her. Okay.
Yes,
Dancer.
dancer
Uh-huh.
was in
Theater.
theater.
Okay. Come, right, please. Okay. A dancer. Okay, a dancer in a theater. Theater. Good job. Who is next? Sarah, please.
A fireman fights fire.
Yes. Please. Fast, please. Right. A fireman fights fire. A fireman fights fire. Fights fire. Fire. That's weird. Okay, sit down, please. Good job.
A baker bakes bread.
Yes, please. Right here. A baker. A baker bakes bread. Yes. Good job. Adel, it's for you. Okay, concern, please.
The dentist takes care of dark
Our teeth, yes. Come to the blackboard of our. A dentist takes care of our teeth. Okay, it's for you. Right, please. Six. Here our of our teeth. last one. Okay, Nurdaulet, please.
People
Pupil.
studies at school. Studies at school.
Okay, please write. Last one. A pupil studies at school. Yes. At school. Okay, good job. Sit down, please. Okay, learners. Okay, do you understand today's theme?
Homework.
Today, understand today's theme? Бүгінгі тақырыпты түсіндік па?
Yes.
Okay, what? We talk. Не туралы сөйлестік? Okay, learners, what we are told today's lessons? Yes, about professions. It's your homework. Open your diaries and write today's your homework. Essay, my future professions. My future professions. Write in your copybook. Жұмысын жазып аламыз, балдар. Essay, my future professions. Please count your stickers. Count your stickers. How many stickers? Count your stickers. Okay, now sir. How many stickers? 4 stickers. For today's lesson, excellent. Daniel, how many stickers?
4.
4, excellent. Daniel? How many stickers? 2, okay, good. Adlet?
4.
4, okay, excellent for today's lesson. And Ju? 2, good. Okay, in this group, Mirlan, how many stickers? Excellent, Mirlan. Okay, Sarah?
4 stickers.
Good. Simbat?
1.
Okay, not bad. Arjan?
1.
Not bad. Nurdaulet?
3. Wait.
3 stickers, okay, good job. 1, okay. For today's lessons, Mirlan, winner, yes, he's 5 stickers, okay. Do you like today's lesson? Do you like today's lesson?
Yes.
Stand up, please. Yes.
Yes. Why today's?
Let's stand up, please. Lesson is over. Goodbye, learners.